Hey there. So you want to install IPTV Smarters Pro on your Samsung TV, and honestly, this is one of the trickiest setups people ask me about because Samsung TVs don't run on Android like most streaming devices. But don't worry, I figured out the only method that actually works, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Here's the thing you need to understand right from the start. The official IPTV Smarters Pro is not available on Samsung TV. If you search the Samsung App Store and find apps claiming to be IPTV Smarters, those are fake versions that aren't affiliated with the official developers. These knockoff apps often have security issues, don't work properly, and can potentially compromise your information. Stay away from them completely. Samsung Smart TVs run on their own operating system called Tizen, not Android. IPTV Smarters Pro is designed specifically for Android devices, which means it won't run natively on your Samsung TV. However, there is an excellent alternative that does work directly on Samsung TVs, and that's iBo Player. iBo Player is available in the Samsung App Store, and it's a legitimate, secure IPTV player that we actually recommend to our GeneX IPTV customers that buy our IPTV subscription and who use Samsung TVs. What makes iBo Player great is that it provides a private connection, handles streams efficiently, and offers solid security for your viewing. The interface is clean, it supports all the standard IPTV features you need, and most importantly, it's designed to work properly with Samsung's Tizen operating system. To install iBo Player on your Samsung TV, just go to the Samsung App Store, search for iBo Player Pro, and install it directly. Once it's installed, open the app and you'll see options to add your IPTV service. With GeneX IPTV, we provide you with all the credentials you need: username, password, and server information. Just enter those details into iBo Player, and you'll have access to thousands of channels right on your Samsung TV without needing any additional hardware. Now, if you really want the full IPTV Smarters Pro experience, there's another method that gives you complete Android functionality, and that's using an Amazon Fire Stick. The Fire Stick plugs directly into your Samsung TV's HDMI port and gives you access to the official IPTV Smarters Pro app, along with thousands of other Android applications. Both methods work excellently with GeneX IPTV. GeneX IPTV have been providing reliable IPTV service for years now, and it supports both iBo Player and IPTV Smarters Pro with optimized streams and complete setup assistance. When you sign up with GeneX IPTV, you get access to thousands of channels, movies, TV shows, sports, and international content, all delivered through stable servers that actually work consistently. The bottom line is, don't waste your time with fake IPTV Smarters apps in the Samsung App Store. Either use iBo Player directly on your Samsung TV for a secure native solution, or get a Fire Stick and install the official IPTV Smarters Pro for the complete Android experience. Pair either option with GeneX IPTV's reliable service, and you've got a professional IPTV setup that delivers thousands of channels with consistent quality and performance.